Hello everyone and welcome to Think Cap. Today we're diving into the mystical world of witchcraft symbols. Can you identify these 12 witchy symbols and their meanings? Let's find out. Pentagram represents the 5 elements: earth, air, fire, water and spirit. The upward pointing star represents the triumph of the spirit over matter and earthly desires. Horned god symbolizes masculine energy, represented by a circle topped with a horn. In practice, this symbol is used to connote masculine energy. Triple moon represents the moon and phases of the moon, as well as the phases of womanhood, maiden, mother, crone, also known as the triple goddess. Hecate's wheel represents the 3 aspects of the goddess maiden, mother and crone, symbol for transmitting energy and knowledge through divine forces. Ankh represents everlasting life. The Ankh is protective and connects us to all of our past and future lives. A symbol of movement, progress, cycle and action. It is protective, acts as a guide to the other worlds and brings great power. Spiral represents fertility and feminine power, a visual reminder for women to welcome the unique power they hold. Triketra represents the triple goddess and the 3 realms: earth, wind, sky or mind, body, soul, or the cycle of life, death and rebirth. Witch's knot, also known as the magic knot and the witch charm, commonly used as a means of protection, banishing or warding off evil. Solar cross represent the sun, the earth, the 4 seasons or the 4 elements, used in spell work for protection and connecting with higher self. Unicursal hexagram, variation of the 6-pointed star which represents unity and balance, used in spell work that involves banishing or invoking elemental forces. Wheel of the Year, a symbol of the 8 Sabbats, which includes 4 solar festivals and 4 seasonal festivals. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless you all.